What is up, guys? Dylan here, and in this one I'm going to tell you about a little DoorDash hack, or better yet, a little DoorDash secret or a little DoorDash tip. Anyway, way that I figured out to make a little bit extra money on Walgreens orders. Not a lot of money, just a little bit, right? And it's free, it's easy. Anybody DoorDashing can do this. Ain't a lot of money, but it's free money. And free money is the best kind of money, period. Even if you're not DoorDashing. I don't know what all other places do Walgreens pickups, but Instacart shoppers, you could do this for sure. But I'm going to stick with just DoorDash in this video. So with that, let's dive into it. You know how when you're picking up an order at Walgreens and you go to check out and the cashier always asks you, do you have a Walgreens card? Now, I know for me, I always said no, or, I'm here picking up DoorDash order, no, swipe, credit, leave, Well, about 2 weeks ago, I started using my Walgreens card, right? I would just enter my phone number. I'd say, yeah, enter my 10-digit phone number, which is the alternate ID. And what I didn't know is just recently, Walgreens actually changed their reward system from points to cash. So instead of earning points, right, that you can redeem for, dumb shit, now you earn cash back, or better yet, cash off of a purchase. Good thing about this is all your old points that you've accumulated, they converted those to cash. So I went ahead and I've been doing this for about, like I said, 2 weeks. I get around one Walgreens order a day usually, sometimes more, sometimes none at all, but on average, one a day, right? They're usually not very big, anywhere from 1 to 10 items usually, right? Well, just from using this in 2 weeks, I'll show you somewhere on the screen, probably here, or maybe here, how much I've made in just 2 weeks of using this card once a day on average. Honestly, it's probably more like 3 times a week because I don't DoorDash every day. You can see I've earned a little over $4, and that's free money I can use for anything. I can, that's almost enough to buy a Fiji water, or like a king-size candy bar, or like, I don't know, shit at Walgreens is expensive. You could use this money to help pay for your grandmother's prescriptions. And the good thing about this cash reward system that they got going on is your cash rolls over into the next year. It doesn't expire. It does expire from 1 year from the date you got it. So say I earned $1 today, right? Exactly 1 year from the day I earned that dollar will expire. So I'd have to spend it in that year's time. But like it's December now, it's going in January, those will roll over. I recommend, if you're not already doing this, go ahead, download the Walgreens app, sign up. Now you are going to need to update your account. If you are already a Walgreens Plus member, you're going to need to update it because, like I said, they did switch everything over into cash now. So there's a new update that you got to do with your account, but it's real simple, right? All you got to do is like an email verification and it's done. But this is a great thing that all drivers should be doing. It's more of an incentive for us to pick up Walgreens orders. Because let's face it, doing Walgreens orders suck. Like, they're almost as bad as Walmart pickups. Like, they're pretty bad. I don't like them. But now, if they're not as bad, you do this for 1, 2, 3 months, you're going to have $20 or $30 built up. That's money you can use for anything. What I'm saying is you can use this money for anything. It's free money. It's free money. It ain't a lot of money, but it's free. Might as well get it, right? If it's free, you might as well get it. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Dylan out.